Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I will teach you how to create an account on the Quora website. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. This is very important to help us deliver more content like this to you. The first thing we will do is open the Google Chrome website and search for create an account on Quora. After clicking search, click on the first link that will appear for you, which is the official Quora website. When entering the website, we will click on the red button in the upper right corner of the screen where it says sign up. See that it gives you two options for you to choose how you want to create your account. You have the option to create an account with a Google account, or you have the option to create it with a Facebook account. I will select the option to create with a Google account because it is much easier and more practical. After clicking, choose one of your Google accounts that is on your computer. If it is not any of these, you can add a new account if you want. Click Continue. Once you finish logging in, it will take you to the home page and will pop up on the screen asking you what kind of theme you like and are interested in. You must select at least 5 interests to continue. Now it is asking in which language you want to use the site. If you speak English and the English option does not appear for you, leave all languages unchecked, as if you do not want to choose no language. This will make the site in English. Ready, your account has been successfully created. Now you can start using Quora normally and enjoy all the features it has. And the video ends. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.